Oh, okay. I'm like, I don't see him because he was just a
You got runners right here. The one up?
I only have one runner
Yeah.
for radio.
So right now, you guys can hit me. Oh!
Yeah!
Yes, you
David,
can
he
hit
dropped
two.
it, baby. He dropped it.
You would be evenly one up.
All we need is a base hit, baby. Yeah, he did. Nice line drive. Keep that swing level, baby. Line drive.
One way!
Yeah, that's how you do it. Go, man. Drop it. Go. Go. We need Justin to run. No, we can only have one runner. David.
Oh, yeah.
David, you got
Oh, yeah.
one, baby.
It's the lottery. Who gets the runner?
Dustin win.
I got 8.
No out. Only golf.
They're like,
Go, buddy! Two, one.
One out there, D.
my wife has one and it lasts.
Right. 2-2. One way.
Right? Yeah, right. Like a massage.
Right.
You can have that one. Out.
Hey, you're not supposed to swing. He can go cross. He can go home.
Right.
Was it going to be a strike? He's like, I ain't going to run it. Good hips the runner, bro. That's what we need.
Yeah. One down. That's it.
Yeah.
I
One.
was like, run it. Hey, run inside.
Take your time.
He's the runner now.
There's another guy hurt down the line.
No.
Tie! Oh no! I said Pete.
The other one was hurt when he
Strike!
Strain it out, baby.
Way!
Run it out. You never know. You never know.
Down. Woo! Nothing. Go back. Stay there.
Who's next?
I am. Time!
Only one out. Perfectly placed, George. All right, Luke. You got this, baby.
Go, Luke.
One!
Hey! Go, Pigman. Nothing. Go back. Oh, no. Go down.
Don't go back 3!
Three. Come back.
Just slide. Oh, I'm done.
They had the whole
Big move.
I would have got 10.
It just his circle of running was shrinking. Only a matter of time.
I didn't sign up for liners. Two. Pickles are young and you got fresh legs for pickles.
Just short.
Whoa.
2-1.
Leverage on that one, baby. That was sweet. Told you to back legs so you didn't.
3-1.
I'm like, no.
Come on, boys.
It's you did it perfectly. Can't be done.
Ah!
Like you, right? No, it's
Yeah, 2 down.
John Mike Cross. 2 down.
Two. Strike. One way.
Right up the gut. 4-2.
Down. Ooh. David.
That's why you play left and right arm.
I can't fight that. You gotta put Super Mario somewhere. You got redemption.
Nice grab, man.
I'm a man. You from here, Lenny?
Yeah, born and raised. Actually, I grew up down the street.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm Gilbert and Elliott.
Nice. Where'd you go to high school? Gilbert High School?
Gilbert. How about yourself?
I'm actually from San Luis. I'm actually the same. Me and Leo. I met Leo when I was like 8 years old.
Oh, yeah?
So I was born in San Luis, Mexico, and so did he. So did he.
Yeah, I got it. San Luis is right just south of Yuma?
Oh yeah.
South of Yuma. Yeah. So there's San Luis, Arizona, and then across the border is San Luis, Mexico. And that's where I met him. And then around the same time, we both moved over to the Arizona side.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we always.
So one year we were going to San Diego. We were staying down in Chula Vista. And I was going through Yuma, the 8, like normal, and then it told me to take this other road. So I thought, oh, Bradley Freeway's quicker. And it took me to the border at San Luis. Yeah. So I told him, I'm like, GPS brought me here. I'm trying to get to San Diego. And he tells the other guy, he's like, see, I told you the GPS is bringing him through here. So he's like, just pull up here and they'll pull a barrier and just let me loop them. Added like another hour and a half to my drive.
Oh, yeah.
I had to drive down. I went so far south and I had to come back up and then go back east and head back west.
Oh!
Yeah, Leo's a good dude. Both of those guys are good dudes. Javier was the top salesman when he went to our company.
I see reports.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there wasn't any of them now. So there was only 2 salespeople. There was Javier and Leo. Now they got 3. Because I had to do all the, what they had me doing in the office, I got to do all the territories for splitting up the accounts, who's got where. Now we got 3 salespeople. And Leo's the top salesman.
Got it. Oh, hey, Zeus. Yes, sir.
Go! Yeah, and then they brought, then they changed up project. Alana was the only project person. Now they got David, now he's project also. So now she's got one side of the valley. She's been down by
Oh! With Mike?
Yeah, Mike and Leo.
Okay, Mike Heston.
Yep.
That's my boss.
So he was my service manager when I was out in the field. And then when I got moved to the office, I'm under him. So I report to him. Brian.
Second.
Yeah, he came out here, I think, like a year before. Hey, because you from Chicago, right? Yeah.
I think there's only BK got here a year before me. And then there was like so there's only 5 people that been at the company. I actually was on the same contract for just shy of 17 years. Bring it down a little bit. 3-1. Tag it. Hey, one third. 4. My bad. Wait, that's 3? Thank you, sir.
I'll make sure I didn't count that wrong.
What's up, Art?
Yeah. Double check that.
Thank you, sir. You want to have the best one? You can stick around. I don't mind. There you go. I'll go home early. As long as Mark doesn't let me down. You know, I looked up. My favorite seeds were the Frito-Lay brand. I looked them up online. They don't sell them anymore. Frito-Lay must have stopped making them. I made last out. You want me to go?
Where are you going? I'm going here. I know.
Run it!
Time! He needs some saving. He needs some saving. Do what? What?
I saw her over there.
I can see it. I'm a little kid. Just sitting here, you. Oh yeah. You silly man. Time.
Did it sound kind of off? No, it sounded good. Maybe I'm just not used to it. It sounded right.
Yeah. How it closes out.
Yeah. Get through. Nice.
Go!
Yeah, by the time
There.
Time. Run around one.
It was very tempting. That was very tempting.
Turned it into kickball. Got you.
Come on.
Let's go.
That's drop it. Go.
Time.
Right, George Luke, you're on deck.
How about Pete?
Right there, baby.
Time. Nobody. We got through all the
Clean her up, Courtney. Clean her up, dude.
Right. One way.
Can I go yard?
Time. Nobody.
Yeah, zero out. Be smart. Base hit, Miles. Oh, base hit right in the gap, base hit right.
Nobody. Try. One way.
someone else had a
That away.
Out. Time.
Poke it, baby.
Daddy had 11.
I might as well just walk that ball over to short.
Dude, you're hitting them good, Miles.
What's up? How are you? Good. Nah. I know. He's asleep when I get home.
Out there,
No. I don't eat. What's this called, Rob?
Oh, you're my passes. 21.
Your home run was
I'm not going up to the you went the first one. No. Won't be long. You hope you're the zipper. You did. Well, by the time, because she starts in the back, and if they use it to try to feed it out, and then also she, and then the five. That's too short. That's the same, no, the difference, it's the same shot. But you know how they have notes on you? On the last haircut? You didn't read them. I told her race those notes. I started over about a year. Two. Short. Yeah, I go. Pretty good. You're ready for something, right? Yeah, that's what I told her. I couldn't get mad. I put it back. I said, can I do this once a year? This is it right here. Oh, yeah? So you guys yeah. Caller. Out. You should
well, one's mid-30. Actually, one's Justin Bunsen, the other one's Steven
yeah. I was trying to, but I couldn't find the
Elbow!
Very good.
One way! Elbow!
I hate that rule.
2-2, gotta be!
There we go.
Cut! Yeah. Runner one! Oh, yeah? Out! Save! Cut! That's my brother. I've never been anywhere since I made that U-turn in the
How you doing?
Got you. Double D? You guys didn't get it. 21-8. because they're home. I know. God, I sure wish I had a catcher.
I'm here, bro.
Need a better. Come on.
Alex.
Help. Out.
Ivory's out. Come on. Drop it. Come out.
Try. One way.
They're always bowed out, too. I just hear it.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh, I just made it the other night. That's great.
Out. Run doesn't count. Where is it? Behind it.
We got half the. We're gonna call the
Alright, go Rob.
Gentlemen, chasing a couple. Last at bat.
Last at bat. I live in Chandler.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. He's trying to be nice. Sounds good.
Try.
Okay.
Out.
My parents live on Elk Street.
Oh yeah, we have video of it too.
Yeah, it's still going. So we're good.
Sorry, Alex.
For the longest time, I thought my dad was
yesterday I was going to Canada to get my passport. Because my mom texted me from took me a second. And then I thought my dad was from Texas my whole life. He's like, he was born in Chandler. One way! Let's go! Got me! Deep! Good two! Bravo! Batters out! Down! Wake that one in, Fields! Wake that one! Two! Too late. Strike! Time! On that glove.
Let's go, Mouse. You got your life.
All right, boss. Put him in a TikTok. Right up the middle, buddy. You got this.
One way. Double. 22, gotta be. Ball game! Lenny! Yes, sir. Lenny! Yes, sir. Hey. Give me a second. Let me grab that.
Hey, thanks for staying.
Good game. What's up? You got a score. So you want me to? Hey, Blue.
On your field? You son of a... You said? You said so.
What did you say, Alex? I think you did. I'll pay you.